Cooking Ina! Welcome back to my channel again, Cooking Ina Siargao. In this video, I am going to share how I make fried shrimp. Our ingredients for this recipe are shrimp. I have 1 kilo of shrimp here. This is a tiger shrimp, like this big, like this. There is a shell in this one, but we're going to take off this later. And we need breadcrumbs and 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of white ground pepper, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And we need the egg white, like this. This is our egg white, and oil to fry in. That's it. Very simple, mga cooking ina. So let's start. First, we're going to take away the shell of the shrimp like this. See? So we just take off this one until all the shrimp will be finished. Very simple to do this, mga cooking ina, and this is very yummy sa mga seafoods lovers. This is very good. Yes, mga cooking ina. My children love this too very much. Now see? This is very good recipe and very easy to prepare. If you buy a shrimp like this big and then you just clean it. We just take off like this, and then the fresh of this one, the one that it's not clean, there is something like black in here. We need to take away that one because that smells bad. And this one, I'm lucky when I buy this because it's already clean. I just take off the shell of this. See? Turn on a cooking ina. This is very good. Sa mga seafoods lovers, this is very lamig, mga cooking ina. Diba? Quick to prepare. We just fry it. When I order this in the restaurant, mga cooking ina, because you know I am a seafoods lover, nabibitin ako when I eat. That's why now I can eat a lot. Only 4 pieces, I paid like more than 1,000 peso for the 4 pieces of this, like this big. And then when I eat, I observe what they are putting in here, and then I said, I will make that one at home. That's why now I make this together with you guys. Oh, diba? Bongga. So, finish, mga cooking ina. I already washed this one and I already cleaned it. So, next step, we're going to dry our shrimp, mga cooking ina. We just dry like this. We dry like this, mga cooking ina. You see that? And the next step of this, we're going to add salt to our shrimp. We do like this, mga cooking ina. Then we mix well. We make it sure that all our shrimp, there is salt. Then we're going to add our white ground pepper. We just do like this. And mix well. Very simple to make this, mga cooking ina. We're going to rest this while we are preparing our breading. So we put this here, and then our egg white, mga cooking ina, we beat this one to make it like a marine. And then if the texture, mga cooking ina, if the texture of our egg white is look like this na, our marine, we're going to add our cornstarch, mga Cooking Ina, slowly. Look, mga Cooking Ina, our marine. If you do like that, it's not fall down. It's steady. So next, mga Cooking Ina, we're going to braid our shrimp. We do like this, mga Cooking Ina, in our braiding. We do like this. Then we're going to put here in breadcrumbs. And then this is ready to fry, mga Cooking Ina. We start frying our shrimp, mga Cooking Ina. Then we're going to add cooking oil, mga Cooking Ina. I like to use this cooking oil because you see that there is a vitamin B. Diba? At least. So we do like this. 1 liter of oil we need in this because we're going to deep fry our shrimp. Next, mga Cooking Ina, we're just doing like this. Then we're going to put it in our breadcrumb like this. So, next, it's the same, mga Cooking Ina. We just do like this. Then, breadcrumb. And this is very quick to cook, mga Cooking Ina. Next, breadcrumb. This one is 3 egg white. I beat it for our 1 kilo of shrimp. Repeat and repeat, mga Cooking Ina, in the same procedure. This is very good, mga Cooking Ina. You try this, mga Cooking Ina, to your loved ones, to your children, if you have a guest. I promise you, mga Cooking Ina, they will appreciate this because it's very good. While we're waiting that our cooking oil will be ready to our frying, we need to continue doing this. Look, mga Cooking Ina, what I did, just do like this, and then breadcrumbs. I need more breadcrumbs. Now, mga Cooking Ina, let's start frying our shrimp. So we just do like this, mga Cooking Ina. See that, mga Cooking Ina? We cook in this, mga Cooking Ina, na medium heat, mga Cooking Ina, so that it's not quick burn our shrimp. Because shrimp is quick to cook, mga Cooking Ina. It's beautiful, mga Cooking Ina. Then we're going to turn. Looks very good, our shrimp, mga Cooking Ina. We need to turn directly so it's easy to burn. Look, mga Cooking Ina. Put it in a medium heat when we're cooking in this. Oy, oy, oy. It's look good, mga Cooking Ina. So we do like this, mga Cooking Ina. Look at our shrimp, mga Cooking Ina. It's beautiful. The texture of our shrimp is very good if you do the braiding like this. It's more fluffy. We're done, mga Cooking Ina. Then we're going to plate our shrimp, mga Cooking Ina, of course. Pretty when we present it to our dining table after this, mga Cooking Ina. See, in 1 kilo, we make a lot. Look, mga Cooking Ina, it's pretty, our fried shrimp, mga Cooking Ina. And we're going to garnish, mga Cooking Ina, with the lemon because lemon helps to take away the smells of the seafoods, mga Cooking Ina. So, just do like this here. We make it beautiful when we present. always mga cooking ina so that our food is appealing. Especially we serve to our loved ones. Di ba mga cooking ina? So, do like this. Lemon, it helps to take away the smell of the seafood, mga cooking ina. So, look mga cooking ina, it's very simple like this. Look at our fried shrimp, mga cooking ina. It's pretty beautiful and looks yummy. Yay! The mayonnaise in here, mga cooking ina. And do like this, mga cooking ina. So then, mga cooking ina. So now, mga cooking ina, look at our fried shrimp with the mayonnaise and lemon, mga cooking ina. Look, it's so pretty and it looks yummy, mga cooking ina. I hope, mga cooking ina, you will try this recipe to your loved ones, to your family. This is very good, mga cooking ina. Look, what can you say, mga cooking ina? And now, mga cooking ina, I'm going to try together with you. Look, mga cooking ina, the shrimp, it's still juicy. You see that, mga cooking ina? Oh, yay! And we're going to put the mayonnaise. Then, lemon. Lemon, mga cooking ina. Then, borsugud, mga cooking ina. The texture of our shrimp, mga cooking ina, it's taste fresh and juicy. And now, mga cooking ina, thank you very much for joining me here in my kitchen making my fried shrimp for my family. And I hope you will make this recipe as well to your family. And also, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless everyone!